Hi everyone, it's Melissa. Welcome back to Quiet Little Crush. In today's video, I'm going to give you a sneak peek into the Antiquarian Sticker Book. Maybe I'm late to the show on this, but I had never heard of this until I saw someone post it on Instagram, and I think I ordered my own copy within minutes. I figured I couldn't possibly be the only one who's never seen this, so I wanted to post a video showing you some of the pages inside. Now, I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but I will flip through some of them and show you what they look like. They're all antique vintage stickers, and they're absolutely beautiful. So let's get started. So inside, there's the front cover, and look at these images. I love the colors. They're absolutely beautiful. And there's a whole variety of stickers, flora, fauna, people, and in between each one there's backing pages, and the backing pages are all the same. But I think these are some of the most beautiful stickers I've ever seen. And like I said, I'm not going to show you the entire book. I'm skipping several pages here because when I got mine, I had so much fun looking through the whole thing and discovering these images, and I want you to have the opportunity to do so yourself if you decide to get the book. I'm going to put a link down in the description box if you want to go and check it out. The stickers are pretty easy to peel off, and they are extremely sticky on the back, so once you put these down, they're going to stay in place. Oh my gosh, I love this guy here with the little bird, and it almost looks like a fish head. But anyways, peeling off the stickers is quite easy, and when I got to this page I thought it was just one giant sticker, but it's actually not. And I'll pull this off. This one here is actually a bear. I hope you can see that. And there's a couple other stickers on this page as well, and the preceding page also has several stickers, but I won't show you that, so you can discover which ones they are for yourself. The book retails for $24.99, but I did not pay that. I think I paid $17, maybe $18. I think it was less than $18. I will again put the link in the description box below to Amazon, which is where I got it. If you don't want to buy it from Amazon, I'm sure that you can just Google this and find it for sale someplace else. In the back of the book, the last few pages are the alphabet, and it goes through the whole thing, A through Z, and each letter has a different, I guess, decoration to it, which I will show you here. And there's one page for each letter. So I'll flip through these real quick so you can see them as well. And again, I'm skipping through several pages so you can discover the images yourself. So that is the end of the book. I hope that you enjoyed this little flip through. You can see how thick the book is. There are over 1,000 stickers, as it says here on the front of the book. And my guess is this will last you for a long time. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.